Hello, this is Secrets of Draw on YouTube. And first off, I know I've been really inactive with uploading videos and stuff, and yeah, that's not gonna change, I think. Yeah, hopefully I will get some videos up, but I don't hope for much. But I wanted to show you this. It's my newest made Schleifbarn, a stable that I made. I made it out of a box, and I made the walls with popsicle sticks. It's really simple. I don't even have a tack room or anything. You see in the stalls there have no hooks or anything to hold the horses in place. I'm gonna do that later. Right now it's just stalls. It's 8 stalls, like this, and then we have 2 boxes. I don't have any much horses in here because I don't have that many ponies. This horse is in the right size for the stall. If you take one of the horses like this, you see it doesn't look good. The stall, they're too big, so it's for ponies, and I don't have that many ponies. But yeah, that's all. Hopefully I might be able to upload some more Schleif videos, because yeah, it's fun. I like to do tack and stables and stuff, and I'm working on customs. It'd be fun to show you, but don't hold your hopes up. But yeah, and hopefully I will be able to do a collection tour of all my horses. But my computer hates my camera and won't save the videos from my camera, so I have to film with my phone. That just makes for very short videos, so that's why. Anyway, bye!